All-new Subaru Ascent adds 7-seat option to lineup. Due out later this year, one of the biggest news items to come out of the auto show circuit has been the introduction of the all-new Subaru Ascent. Resting atop the new Subaru global platform currently used by Crosstrek and Impreza, the 2019 Ascent will be the first large vehicle to use the new architecture. At first glance, there's immediate Subaru signature design cues in both the exterior grille and interior treatments. The biggest thing about the Ascent is its sheer size. It feels odd to see such a large Subaru body. But it is attractive, reflecting subtle sophistication with a capable athletic stance. North American popularity. As dedicated as the Subaru loyal seem to be to the booming all-wheel drive brand, even their enthusiasm could not save the previously available big SUV, called the Tribeca, which went away in 2014. The Tribeca SUV was strange-looking and never had the sales impact the brand needed it to have, providing a step-up vehicle for growing families who started with Outbacks and Foresters. Built in Lafayette, the Ascent is exclusive to the North American market as it offers Subaru's notable reliability, legendary endurance, 8-passenger capacity, and all-wheel drive sure-footedness. 3-row talk. The big news distinction regarding the Ascent is the potential 3-row 8-passenger capacity. Entry and exit from row 3, which can be challenging for any SUV design, is notable for its big space, providing simple access via a sliding row 2 and grab handles for extra ease. According to Subaru, the grab handles on the row 2 seats were inspired by Japan's famously well thought out bullet train interior designs.